I'm going to drag and drop my image into Photoshop, and then I'm going to head on over to the crop tool and select it. This would be a good time to choose my aspect ratio. I'm going to stick to a preset, although I can just freely resize my selection. I'll select 16:9. I'm just going to visually position my image. Just center it. I'm going to go to the top and make sure that Generative Expand is selected. The other two selections are Background and Content Aware Fill. So now I'm ready to generate. So I've got 3 renders to choose from. I don't like the first one because it's visually divided into 3. The second one is okay, but the hands are missing. The third one is all right. What I'm going to do is generate another batch of images and maybe just keep on generating batches until the cows come home.
Thank you for coming in.
Thank you for
Good morning.
having me. Morning to you.
Why are you gay?
Who says I'm gay?
You are gay. You are a transgender.
What shows that I'm gay?
You are a transgender,
Yes,
and you're a
I am.
gay rights activist and an outspoken lesbian, homosexual. How can I describe you?